What's up, guys? I just bought a new floor jack. I know it's a Harbor Freight, but it's I'm gonna do a little unboxing, a quick review, show you what you get. Check it out. They got these on sale at Harbor Freight right now. I paid $160 plus tax, and it's really comparable. I was gonna buy a Sun X because they're super low profile and they go really high. And I think this is, I don't know if it's made by the same people, but it's really comparable. It's all the same specs. It weighs the same. It's only 3¼ inches high off the ground when it's all the way down. It's 35. It has a 35-inch reach, and it's got a 24¼ inch max lift height, which is sweet. And the difference between this and the Sun X is it has a foot pump. The Sun X doesn't. So let's open it up and see what you get. Alright, so this is how it comes boxed. You get the jack handle. It's got a foam pad so you don't scratch up your car or whatever if the handle comes up and whacks it. Give the other end nice, and has a nice heavy duty feel. I haven't touched this before this video, so you guys are seeing it for the first time with me. Yeah, I mean, sweet, heavy duty. Probably be a nice cheater bar for something someday. Alright, let's check this thing out. Styrofoam, some backing, whatever. Got a owner's manual. Not real sure that I need to read that. Okay. And this is the jack. This thing is heavy. Weighs like 103 pounds. So it's definitely beefy. Yeah, we'll get this thing out, and what it looks like all you gotta do, I got a little plastic guy in there. I'll have to pop that out, put the handle in it, keeps it all locked down. I don't know if it comes greased, but we'll get that done real quick and I'll be right back. Alright guys, got it put together. This thing is pretty sweet. It's got nice wheels. This thing rolls. It rolls good. I mean, for weighing 100 pounds, it has like very little effort. And then it's got this quick pump, so I'll show you guys. And you can see it's like super low profile. I mean, and I'll show you in a minute here on my Corvette how it works out, but this thing, it's got this quick pump, so you twist the handle, close the valve, and it's got this little pump so you can get it started, and it's kind of handy. I mean, instead of having to bend down and push that handle a bunch of times, you can just kick this pedal, and I mean, look how, I mean, that thing, that's awesome. That thing goes really high. I've never seen a floor jack that lifts that high. That's really cool. I think that's going to come in incredibly handy. Yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. The other thing I like is this jack has enough spring tension that it will pull itself back down. A lot of them, you got it, and it's, I mean, it's like 30 degrees in the garage right now, so that fluid's pretty thick, and it still pulls itself down. So I'm pumped. I think it's sweet. Now, the Corvette here, you can see this is a pretty low car, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's got this plastic under here that's really, I mean, it's about the width of my hand off the ground, and this thing just slides right in there. It's pretty sweet. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I mean, no problems all the way up there. So I can get it, I'm gonna get it set up on the subframe, and I'll get it all in place, and then we'll do the first lift and we'll see how it goes up. Okay, I got it back there. It's on the subframe. You guys can see, I mean, this thing has 35-inch reach, and it still pushes this plastic back just a little bit, but I think it's gonna be okay. It'll, once it gets it up in the air a little bit, it'll clear it. So I don't know. Let's see, foam pad in action, saving the bumper, pretty nice. I like that. Okay, I don't know. Let's just see what happens. Doesn't take a whole lot of effort. Oh yeah, I'm digging it. It takes a few pumps, but man, I mean, it's got a ton of lift, so I don't expect it to go up in 2 pumps. I mean, right there, we're already, you know, we're still pretty centered and stuff, so I think we're okay. We're about to pull the front wheels off the ground right now. So yeah, I mean, this thing's badass. Truly, I'm impressed. There you go. I mean, you got the pad on the subframe, front end's in the air, doesn't take any effort. So if you're thinking about buying this jack, I mean, I've only had it for 10 minutes, but so far I'm really impressed. And they have like a 3-year warranty, so I don't know if it breaks, just take it back and get another one. So alright guys, well, that's my unboxing and speed review of the Harbor Freight long reach 3-ton low profile jack. And I don't know, let me know what you think, if you guys have them, if you like them, if you don't like them, if you had problems, whatever. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thanks.